Hi, I'm Kata Nabila binti Ramli. I would like to present about safety in workshop. How to protect yourself and keep everyone around you safe. What is safety in workshop? You can see in my presentation is about safety in workshop. What is the meaning of safety in workshop? Next is do not fear if we follow the safety tip in workshop. This is 8 simple tips to prevent accident and protect you and your colleagues and everyone nearby. Number 1 is dress for the occasion. Do not wear baggy, loose, ill-fitting clothing in workshop. Second is vision protection. Make sure wear your safety glass. Read the operational manual. Keep tool and equipment sharp. And then tip number 5, avoid unnecessary distraction. And the tip number 6 is use safety tool to assist you and use proper tool. Tip number 7 is electrical extension cord. Make sure you need to strong and tangle all across the floor, and most importantly in the safety in workshop is housekeeping. Clean all the material after you use, prevent fire hazard. Conclusion is always make sure machine in good condition. Accident do happen, even to expert all the time. That's all from me. Thank you. Awareness is the key to prevent any incident at the workplace. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.